What's up guys? It's been a long time, right? So today what I'm sharing with you guys is gonna be a quick oatmeal, a fresh bowl. It's gonna be a perfect recipe for every morning when you get up and you want something energetic, you want something to make you feel good for the day. So let's get into it. Okay, so it's all done. This is how it is. It's a very easy, simple recipe, full of nutrients, full of energy. Enjoy this simple oatmeal breakfast right there, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye now.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is